Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Ethan Godfrey. In this video, must see, I faked being a magician to handcuff my brother. STROMEDY to his desk for 24 hours. I'm going to react to it. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video. Excuse me, sorry, I had to clear my throat. Sorry about that, everybody. Now let's get to the video.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Okay, a big prank planned for you.
Okay, notification popped up. Hold on, everyone. Okay, I'm back now. Let's get to the video. Let's get back to the video.
You guys today. So right now, guys, as you can see, I am wearing a magician outfit, guys. Now, I am wearing this outfit because recently, guys, I have been telling STROMEDY that I've been into magic. And so I actually told him this morning that I would be coming over to his house and that I could show him some of the magic tricks that I have been practicing. You know, guys, I have absolutely no idea about magic or anything to do with this. Just a cover up for this epic prank that I have planned for you guys today. So basically what's going to happen is right now I am in one of the rooms of the Prime Capital house, and that is why I'm speaking to you guys quietly, because STROMEDY is downstairs right now. I told him that I would be getting ready to show him my magic tricks, and I was just preparing everything. So I'm going to show you guys exactly everything I have today for this epic prank. So as you can see in the title, the prank is eventually going to lead to a cuffing STROMEDY to his desk for 24 hours. This is just a way to lead it up there without any suspicion. And so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to play this out. So with me today, I have prepared the usual deck of cards, guys. I actually looked up a couple of tricks online, so I know how to perform at least a couple tricks so it would look real to Kyle. But I'm telling you, this is like the basic.
Sorry, I had to clear my throat. Sorry, everyone. Let's get back to the video.
Basic card trick you could ever do, guys. So I won't actually show you guys that here. You guys will see that when I actually do the prank. But this is the first prop right here. So I got the usual deck of cards, guys. So this is for the second prop. I got the balloon, guys. So I'm gonna actually use this balloon to do a balloon trick on STROMEDY. You guys will see that one again during the video, but this one is gonna be hilarious. And then, of course, guys, I got the usual magical glitter right here, magical sparkles that I will be using throughout the tricks that I perform. And before I reveal the final project, which you guys actually already know, but let me just show you guys the outfit that I am wearing right now. So you guys won't really be able to see it too much because of this chair here. But I got the hat on right here. You can see it. Got all sparklies, look how magical, you know. I got the outfit, a little robe or whatever you want to call it. There we go, looking all professional, you know what I'm talking about, you know the vibes. So we got that, and we got, oh, one more thing. So we got the blindfold, guys, and this is actually what I'm going to be using.
Hold on, everyone, I gotta go blow my nose. Sorry about this. Sorry about that, everybody. I'm back now. Let's get back to the video.
Pull off the prank in the title, which brings me to the final item. The handcuffs, guys. Yes, so I will be using these handcuffs to cuff STROMEDY to wherever he goes to. Honestly, I don't know what he's going to go to in wherever we go. So we'll just have to pick a spot where we can cuff STROMEDY eventually to whatever the thing is. And yeah, we'll just play it on from there. This is going to be absolutely epic, and then I cannot forget, wouldn't be complete without the magical wand, guys. Got the wand right here, you can see it, all professional, right there. Now, guys, I actually told STROMEDY that I'm thinking of creating a separate channel made specifically for magic, guys, because I'm really into it. He thinks I'm brilliant. So I'm actually going to tell him recording it is going to have no idea this is a prank. It's just no recording, so I will be showing you guys the tricks as we go with. But yeah, guys. So just so you guys don't think anything, he does notice the camera. That is why. But he has no idea how the actual prank itself. So we're good there, guys. Okay, let's go downstairs and get him and tell him that we are ready to perform these tricks, guys. I'm taking this very seriously, guys. It is the day before New Year's Eve, and Kyle has a lot of things that he needs to do because he is also leaving for Los Angeles, as you guys may know, on January 1st, the day after New Year's Eve. Little does he know, he will not be able to do any of those things because we are going to cuff him to...
Sorry, I had to fix my hair. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
Whatever it is for the whole entire night. So let's go, guys. This is absolutely, I think he's going to get so mad. I'll go get him downstairs. We'll bring him into his room and you guys will see it from there, okay? Okay, see you guys.
Oh my god, he's gonna be mad.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Settle down. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Settle down. All right. Now, everybody, welcome to the show. My name is Ethan. Today, I'll be performing tricks you have never seen in your life. Tricks I've never seen in my life. First, hey, that's my pool stick! We must use my pool stick! Don't put that back! Silence! What the hell are you doing? Silence! Woo! Get off this screen! We must prepare for this trick! Please, clean this area! What the hell are you doing? Ethan, that's all my... What the hell are you doing? Sit down! Stop! I'm not joking around about this, man! I'm taking this serious. You just wiped all my stuff off my door. I'm trying to make a career in this. Can you just sit down and watch my tricks and act like you're in a stage with me? Get out of my room. Come on. I'm not taking it seriously. I'm actually trying to find a new career. You know, nobody wants to tell me I have an experience, though. Listen, Kyle, can you just act like it? Well, you better quit now before it's too late because you're garbage. Can you just let me show you what I'm capable of, though? Just act like one thing. If it's not good, then I'll okay. Just act like you're in stage, right? Your dream, my nightmare. I'm famous magician. No, you're not. You're at the Oscars. You're irrelevant. You're at the Oscars, okay? You're irrelevant. Seriously, come on. I'm just trying to perform here. Just act like you're in the Oscars just for one time. I just want to show you these tricks I've been practicing this whole time. Okay. I'm just gonna react like I'm coming in. Relax. Hey, you just relax. Just act like I'm just coming here, okay? Okay, just act. God damn. Act like I just came back in stage again. Clap, hey, everything. Okay, please. Seriously, I'm just trying to do this one thing. Chop. Okay, it's snappy. You good? Okay, ready? Yeah. Alright. Yippee. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. There's nobody here. Who are you talking to? Alright. I must prepare myself for these first tricks. Everybody, please be patient as I set up my table here. May I please get a volunteer for the first trick? Let's anybody your tape. Alright, anybody. Me. Alright, you. What is your name? What is your name? You know my name, dumbass. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? It's Bob. Hey, Kyle, welcome up to the stage. Thank you, everybody. Give a round of applause for Kyle. Everyone. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. All right, Kyle. Thanks. Yeah. Where are you from? I'm from the same place you're from. Please, just act like it for me, please. Yeah, okay. All right. My name's Kyle, and I was born in Kentucky. Can I please ask you, what made you get into magic? What made you come out here tonight? What? I mean, I was just editing and then you came in and... No, we're on stage, Kyle. You're not in your room editing. We're on stage in California. Okay, this is a real deal. Act like it. Just please, let me show you my tricks. That's it. Just act like it's a real stage. That's it. Okay. Where are you from? I'm not going to ask you again. Oh, all right. Where are you from? Damn. Okay, I'm from Mississauga. The saga. Alright, everyone follow Canada. Woo! So, here's the Kyle. Okay, patience, everybody, patience. Just give me one moment, I'm just gonna set up my table. So for this first trick, everybody, we will be using the standard deck of cards, everybody. I'm gonna show the camera here too. We have the standard deck of cards. Everyone can see that, right? Wait, what? Okay. You're filming this? Of course this is being filmed. This is the show. We're in the Oscars right now. What do you think this is? So we're gonna place this on my magical table. We're gonna get our other materials out for the night that we will be using. For tonight, guys, we will be using a blindfold for particular events. We're gonna set that down right here, guys. What the hell? That's my freaking drawers. No, it's not. Your magic table. It's a magical table. We're on stage right now, Kyle. Stop. Please. I'm just trying to show you this one thing. Please. Okay. You stage everything on your freaking Stromedy videos. No, I know. For once, please. Okay, everybody. This is one of the most important parts to my successes and all my tricks around the world. The magical sparkles, everybody. If you listen very closely, Kyle, can you come in here and please confirm this? Listen very carefully. Okay. Can you hear that? Is it magical? Yeah, no, it looks like you got a Dollarama. No. Kyle, please. Okay, relax. Okay, stop getting weird with it. Goddamn. You're freaking. Okay, I'm fine with it. Okay. It's only gonna take longer. Oh my god. You can hear that, right? I'm gonna leave. That's the magic. You can hear that. Okay, yes. We're gonna have to get a new volunteer here soon if this guy doesn't want to freaking cooperate. Come on. Alright, so we're gonna place this very carefully. If you are not careful with this, it can be very harmful, guys, if it is not used in the right way. So we are gonna be very careful with it. Let me just show the camera again. The magical sparkle, guys, right here. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, this is very magical. You can only find it in the certain places on Earth ever. We're gonna place that right next to the blindfold. We're gonna get our other pumps that was actually fell because I was being annoyed by this very rude contestant. First time in history. So for this next one, guys, we are going to be using the particular balloons. These are very magical balloons. They only come from specific places on the Earth, guys. No, they're not. I went through pins and needles to get these balloons, guys. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. You went to Party City and you spent $7.99 to get those stupid balloons. You really want to test out one of these balloons and see what they're actually capable of? I don't think you do. Now please listen to the trick. This is going to take absolutely forever. We're going to be in 20, 35, whatever. It doesn't make sense. By the time this is over now. Silence. Alright? Now, guys, for the final trick here, we'll be using these very magical cuffs, guys. Right here, these very magical cuffs. How are they magic? Can only be found on certain places in the world, like Amazon. They can only be found in certain places on the world. We'll be using them.
Hold on, everyone. Notification. Okay, I'm back. Excuse me, I had to clear my throat. Let's get back to the video.
On file here. No, you're not using those on me. So we're going to get weird, if anything. So, without further ado, we will begin with the first trick of the night. Using the standard deck of cards. Okay, Kyle, my participant, can I please get you over here? Can you please take off these cards and please confirm that they are a real deck of cards and every number is in there? They're not same numbers or whatever. Yeah. Can you confirm that? You can, right? Yeah. Alright, perfect. Thank you. Now, for this first trick, Kyle, I'm going to shuffle the deck so you don't think any funny business is going on here. And then you're going to pick a random card, any card you want. Any card, it can be number 7, it can be number 10. Just pick a card right now? Okay, but first I have to shuffle, alright? It's not going to work. So, we're going to have to use a little bit of magic on that. You guys saw that, right? Whoa. Okay, then we're going to have to get our magical sparkles or else this won't properly work. We're going to take our magical sparkles, open it up there. You guys saw that? Ooh, literally nothing came out. We're going to put those on there now, guys. Whoa! You feel that energy there, Kyle? I don't feel anything. Oh my god. This has got to be the worst night. Alright, guys, I think it is right. So it is ready to be shuffled now. I can already feel it. God, magical. Alright, Kyle, for this trick, you are going to Select one. Yeah, I know, you already told me that. Alright, okay, this one. There we go. Alright, show the camera. Okay. Do not show it. Don't get up close to the camera, Kyle. This is no joke. They don't have bird's eye views. It's, 3 of... Yeah. Alright, very shitty job. You all told me there. Thank you. You can put that card back in the deck wherever you want. Okay. That is one of the shittiest jobs I've ever seen right there, guys. But you put the card randomly back in the deck. Alright, so we got that card right there. We're gonna shuffle these cards around. Right there, you saw that, guys? Shuffle them around. You can't confirm I'm shuffling these cards, right, guys? Yeah. Look at these. Shuffling the card. Shuffling. Now, Kyle, if I told you that your card was right on the top of this deck, would you believe me? Sure. Yeah. Alright, Kyle, can you please come over here right to the camera so that everybody can see it? Okay. Now, please take off the cards. They're very magical, so please be very careful. I went through lengths to get these cards, so please be careful when you take off the card. Can you take off the card, please? Now, okay. Okay. Now, show the camera without showing me. Guys, did I get the right card? No. Okay, well, guys, that one didn't work. I must have did something wrong. My bad. Alright, okay, next trick. No worries, it happens all the time. Oh, it happens all the time, guys. I think we're going to that. You're still on water. So, for this next trick, we're going to have you sit down on that seat over there, guys. You guys can see that right there. We're going to have you... Yeah, I'm pretty sure they can see it. It's a camera. We're going to have you hold on this magical rug. It's very magical. You can... I've flown on this thing before, guys. I have flown on it. Here you go. Now you're gonna hold that straight up. No, it's just a towel. Hold it straight up like you're in the shower. Okay. Okay. No, all the way up. Okay. Now, guys, for this next trick, we are taking one of these magical balloons. We're gonna blow this bad boy up. Let me just show you guys right here. Okay, now what? Okay, Kyle, please, what are you doing to that thing? Please cooperate, take off that freaking thing off your head. Now, you see this balloon right here, right? You see it? You see this balloon right now? Yeah. If I told you, when you put that up, I can make this balloon disappear, would you believe me? Probably not, because you bottled the card trick. Okay, guys, well, we're just gonna have to prove them wrong. It's always about proving people wrong in this industry. That is one thing I learned on my first day, guys. So we are gonna put this balloon. This is a garbage map. We are gonna put this balloon right in front of this bimbo right here. All right, lift it up. That's not even a word. Lift up the sheet, please. Lift it up. Now we're gonna say the words dabba dabba doo and then dabba dabba doo. This balloon will be absolutely disappeared. All right, Kyle? Okay. All right, you're gonna say it with me on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dabba dabba doo. Now I'll close it down. Where's the balloon? Can you confirm? You literally just popped it. Dude, you just popped the balloon. Popped the balloon. Magic show. Did you guys see that? You guys all thought I never popped the balloon. That was just magic. I literally heard it. I always say, guys, they'll never believe a true magician. You just saw that right there. I completely just made the balloon disappear off the face of the planet. It's completely gone. No, it's not. Get ready to go closely. Right there. Thank you. Okay, guys, for this next trick, this is our final trick of the night. We have had 2 very successful tricks thus far. Kyle, are you happy with the show tonight? No. Okay, well, I want a refund. This final trick, Kyle, we are going to make you put on these handcuffs right here. No, I'm going to show the audience right here. Kyle, I told you I could make put these handcuffs on you and make them disappear when they're attached to something else. Would you believe me? Probably not. Well, guys, again, like I said before, a magician always has to prove people wrong, so we're gonna put these handcuffs on STROMEDY, Kyle, whatever you want to call this bimbo, and we're gonna go over there right now. So Kyle, please give me your arm, please. Everyone sees this guy.
Hold on, everyone. Notification. Sorry about that, everybody. I'm back now.
Alright, Kyle, we're gonna put these on you, and please know that I do not have the keys to these if this does mess up, so good luck. Wait, what? No, I don't want them. Now, are they tight? They're good. They're supposed to be tight. You're supposed to suffer through this one. Alright. So we are going to take your arm now, guys. We are hooking them up right here. We are going to hook them up to this desk right here. This desk right here, guys, that he's hooked up. Okay, I will show the camera so we can confirm this. I'm gonna show the camera. They can confirm this. Oh! Hooked up right there, guys. Good. Damn, that's nice. We're gonna put the camera right here. Close up now, guys. This is absolutely insane. I don't like this. You guys not know how much energy this trick is going to take to be able to perform. But guys, I think we can do it. We just need the crowd to get into it to bring the energy up here. Holy crap, guys. I think we are finally ready for this one. So, Kyle, for this one, let me just go over here and get this magical rug again, guys. You saw it with the balloon trick. It is no joke. It really works. So we're gonna put this magical rug onto Kyle, and this will make sure, guys, that this does work. If it does work, the handcuffs will completely disappear when we say the magical words, which I'll get to in just a second, guys. All right, we gotta get the other pieces. So for this one, you cannot be looking at the rug, or this will not work, Kyle. So I will have you put these blindfolds on right now. You will not be able to see. Can you confirm that you cannot see right now? No, I can't see. You can't see. All right, perfect. That is just what we want, guys, just to get this magic trick right. No, that's not what I want. We're gonna put this on him. All right. Ow! Ow! You can hear them. You can. The suspense is leading up right now, guys. Holy crap! Holy crap! All right. All right. I'm sorry. You need to get a haircut, you girl. Okay, guys, we're set there. Holy crap! Call me a girl. All right. I have never done this trick before, just so you guys know. So yeah, good luck, like I said before. All right. Whoa. Oh, this is intense. Alright. Okay, well, when is it gonna happen? On the count of 5. Wait. We need our magical sparkles for this one, or it will not work. There's no way. So we are gonna open this bad boy up like last time. Oh! Stop spraying it everywhere! Gotta make sure it gets just right, guys. You saw that? Alright. Spray some magical bits up there. We see him good now. I think he's all glowed up, alright? So now, guys, we are going to go, and on the count of 3, we are going to say, Daba.
I'm trying to crack my neck. Sorry about that, everybody, and I had to clear my throat, too. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
Oh, no! Okay, we're going to have to say it 5 times in order for this to work. And if it does work, these cuffs will be completely disappeared when I lift this rag off, and he'll be able to move strongly. Okay, guys, so are you ready for this, Kyle? No! You must say these words with me, or this will not work. Go! Okay. On the count of 5, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say it with me, Kyle. Come on! Okay, oh my god, I think it worked, guys. No, it's still Kyle. In just a second, I am going to ask you to remove your blindfold as well as the rag, and you will see. Alright, can you remove the rag? Okay, guys, it's still Kyle. This is all a prank. You have been pranked. There's no magician career. I absolutely suck at it. I am not good at it at all. I don't even know a single card trick. That first one is complete poggers. So you are absolutely contacting. I don't know where the key is actually. So yeah, I wasn't lying about that. Wait. So wait, from my understanding, you don't have the key. You don't have the key? No, actually, I don't have the key. I'm not lying about that. Ethan. No. You can't just leave up to this thing. Wait. Hold on. Wait, Kyle. Wait. From my understanding, right, it's... When do you leave for LA again? Ethan, I need to leave in the morning. Oh, crap. No, it's the day before you leave January 1st, right? Yeah, no. I need to leave tomorrow morning. Oh, yeah, because you have a shit ton of stuff to do, right? Yeah. So get me out of these. Yeah, well, I don't... Oh, it's so tight. I don't think that can happen, Kyle. I think you're going to be... Ethan, let me out of this. I don't think you're going to be going to LA anytime soon, not going to lie. I think these guys will love it, too, if you're here, so... Yeah, I don't know, enjoy. Ethan, come on, let me out of these. No, this is what you get. Guys, when I was a kid, this guy would go to the dollar store and buy these stupid-ass handcuffs every time, lock me to them, and I wouldn't be able to go anywhere. So this is what you get, Stromedy. Yeah, have fun. I mean, you know what? Let's go get something to eat, guys. I'm hungry after all this. Oh, Ethan! guys, go get a snack right now. This is absolutely epic. Enjoy the show. This guy's gonna be locked here. He will not be going to LA. Yes, Kyle.
Oh,
yes. Yes, I want to hear yeah. Whoa! Come on, yes.
No!
Yes. All right, guys. I'm gonna go get some food, and guys, enjoy the show. Good luck with that one.
No,
You're actually,
Ethan, I can't leave you in here. Ethan, seriously.
Hold on a second.
Come on.
No, I know. Don't worry, it's okay. Nothing wrong here. Dude, why would you lock yourself to the freaking desk?
I did it. You did it.
Ethan, seriously, do you have the key? Are you dumb? Why would you lock? No, I don't have the key.
Oh my God. Ethan, find it. I can't just be locked.
I actually don't have the key. Like, I'm not
Ethan,
kidding.
come on, dude. I can't get out of here. Ethan, let me go. Come on.
Let me take this stupid magician stuff off. I'm no magician. Here, take this magician. No, I'm not kidding.
Come on, let me go.
No, Kyle.
Dude, I gotta go. I gotta leave.
Wait, can I just say something for a second?
Ah.
No, please, actually.
What?
Like, I honestly could not tell you where the key is. I'm serious.
Ethan, seriously, this is not funny.
Well, I mean, what do you think I was like when you would lock me into that thing? And I'd be stuck there for an hour and you'd be laughing in my face when I was a kid.
What?
You know you did that. You're an absolute troll. That's what you get. Can't just prank people and not expect anything to happen to you.
God, this is tight.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's supposed to be tight. It's not supposed to be enjoyable. What did you think this was? Cool session?
Ethan, come on!
It's not me, though. Okay, guys, let's go get that food up.
Oh my God, Ethan, let me out!
No!
Come on, dude, you can't just leave me in here.
Dude, I can't think when you're talking. You know, talk to the wall.
Come on, dude.
No, talk to the wall. Okay, so I actually do know where the car keys are. I mean, the keys are. Right here. So just go. Let's go up. Watch this. Absolutely screaming. How we doing in there, buddy?
Ethan, seriously, let me out of this thing, dude.
Okay, yeah, no, that was pretty messed up.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, I know, it's been like, what?
It's been a disaster in my room.
It's been, what, like an hour now?
Come on, let me out. My hands are
Here, no, the keys are here.
Come on.
No, here.
Give me them, Ethan.
Okay.
No, give me those, seriously.
Here.
Seriously.
Yeah, I know, I'm giving them to you.
No, come on, Ethan.
I am. They're right there, Kyle, take them. Kyle, they're right there.
No, I can't grab them. Ethan, I can't grab them. It's too far.
Here, take it, Kyle. What are you doing? Do you like being in there?
No.
Do you like being in there?
No, I don't.
Alright, you know what? Forget it. You don't have the keys, and I'll just take them for myself.
No, Ethan, no, come on, please. What can I do? Anything.
Alright. If you want out of those handcuffs, you have to tell all your subscribers to unsubscribe from your channel and subscribe to my channel. You are not getting out of that handcuffs, You will be, I'm not kidding. You will be in those handcuffs until 2035 if you do not.
No, I won't. Ethan, I'll be dead before that.
Yes, you will.
I'm not saying that.
I will feed you the bare minimum.
Oh my God.
You will survive that long if you do not say that, Kyle. Say it right now where you would know I'm leaving. I'm actually going home.
I'll never say that.
Like, I have things to do. I'm actually going to go home now.
I'm never going to say
Alright, then I'm leaving.
Okay, fine.
Okay, say it.
Okay, everyone unsubscribe from Ethan's channel and subscribe to...
No. Okay, I'm leaving.
No! Wait!
Okay, you gonna save it then?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Everyone, unsubscribe from,
Yeah, you go on.
Yeah.
On the right side.
Everyone subscribe to my channel, but also subscribe to Ethan's.
I can work with that. No, I can't. No, I say what I said. You unsubscribe from your channel, I subscribe to mine.
What?
No, this is last chance. I swear to God, this is my last.
Alright, fine. Everyone drop a dislike on this video.
Say it.
Unsubscribe from my channel and subscribe to Ethan's.
No, say it again.
Everyone unsubscribe from my channel and subscribe to Ethan's.
Alright, that's what I like to hear, Buster.
Alright,
Now,
get me out of this now.
never, ever prank me like that again. Ever. You understand me? Alright. I swear, you better not do anything. When I let you out of these cuffs, you better not try any funny business.
Alright.
I'm gonna go home and enjoy my night, and we're gonna forget all about this. No, you're not gonna forget all about it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Alright. Actually, if you weren't so dumb, those cuffs actually don't even need keys. You can actually unlock them in their dollar store cuffs. So yeah, you're really dumb. Like really, like scary dumb. You see? This whole time. Oh my gosh, yeah, this whole time, I know. It's pretty bad, right? It's pretty bad.
That was funny. That was a funny video. Sorry everyone, I yawned. Sorry about that. Sorry for yawning like that, everybody. My apologies. I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. I'm sorry. And this is a funny video. That was funny. An awesome and funny video. I'm just waiting for this. I'm just waiting for it to be over before I give it a thumbs up. That was an awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry, I had to clear my throat. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or Ethan Godfrey's channel, make sure you guys subscribe, give both our videos a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlist. Give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. Please everybody, please, please everybody, please. And I had to fix my hair too. Sorry about that, everybody. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.